car that's close to production that's showing us the future of mobility. Hi everyone, my name is Ryan, and I'm excited to be here today to share with you the amazing technologies in this car. I've been learning all about it from our engineers, and I've been blown away by what it can do. The Nissan Ariya concept is not just a car as we know it today. It's a partner you can trust, a partner built on smart technologies to make the driving experience less stressful, more exciting, and more connected to your life. Since Nissan unveiled its vision of intelligent mobility at CES 4 years ago, it's introduced several forward-looking technologies. This year at CES, I'm excited to share with you Nissan's clearest expression yet of intelligent mobility. Have you ever stopped to think about how your car can make your life better? Look around you. So much going on. But how much of it are you really seeing? It's impossible to take it all in. The maximum field of human vision is around 120 degrees. I can only see about this much of the scene at any one moment. And within that, I can only really focus on one thing at a time. Wouldn't it be great if we could be aware of everything happening around us all the time? And what if we could see beyond the visible surfaces? This car can see a full 360 degrees, 3 times more than we can normally see. Cameras, as well as sonar and radar sensors, allow it to see other vehicles on the road, see which lane they're in, how close they are, and how fast they're moving. But that's only half the story. The Nissan Ariya concept can also access 3D high-definition map data, literally every inch of the highway infrastructure. And with 360-degree sensing, it can see every lane marking, every speed limit change, every road sign, as well as the slope, elevation, and curvature of the road itself. And even when you're driving 60 miles per hour on the highway, it knows where it is with unbelievable accuracy, around 3 feet front and back, and an incredible 2 inches on either side. That's about the width of my phone here, on each side of the car. Thanks to 360-degree sensing and 3D high-definition maps, you can experience ultra-precise, hands-free highway driving. Just look at the amazed reaction of this man the moment he takes his hands off the controls. Nissan calls it ProPilot 2.0. Lane changes are also completely intuitive and trustworthy. ProPilot lets you know to put your hands back on the wheel, and you give it the go-ahead with the push of a button. Pretty impressive, huh? It's hard to describe, but it's like ProPilot is assisting you, maximizing your abilities. But driving on the highway, even when the car is driving itself, isn't really my idea of driving excitement. No. Driving excitement looks more like this. I can't express in words just how awesome this car is out on the open road. It feels something like conducting an orchestra. Like musicians in an orchestra, interpreting the gestures of the conductor, Nissan's e-Force technology continually adapts and fine-tunes the car's performance to your driving. Press the accelerator. Feel that smooth rush of power. 2 high-power motors deliver super smooth, progressive power to each individual wheel. What's more, all of the torque is available instantly. So when you accelerate, feel yourself being pushed back in your seat, like you're in a race car. I mean, it seriously feels like a high-end European sports car. Trim the wheel. And feel a confident, deliberate change of direction. 10,000 times per second, the all-wheel control system fine-tunes the power to each wheel individually, making sure that each tire maintains maximum traction on the road. Even on rugged country roads, cornering in this car feels absolutely rock solid. You can see the vehicle motion control technology in action here. Now, press the brake. and feel a controlled, natural change of pace. When you slow down, unlike other vehicles, the all-wheel regenerative braking control keeps the car parallel to the road for smooth, flat deceleration. With Ariya's flat platform, the interior is a private, comfortable space for passengers. And with Nissan's acoustic metamaterial, you'll be amazed how quiet it is in the cabin. The Nissan Ariya concept offers a truly seamless experience. Sorry guys, I have to go. Let me summon my car. It recognizes me and unlocks the door. It already knows where I'm going today because it knows my schedule and has already set the navigation. It adjusts the driver's seat and sets the cabin temperature to just the way I like it. Unique to Ariya is firmware that automatically updates itself even when you're driving. Ariya keeps track of the battery level and suggests the optimal charging stop along the way. And when I'm almost there, Ariya, find a parking spot. And when I get out of the car, navigation is automatically transferred back to my smartphone. So if I still need to walk a little way, I'm all set. A truly seamless driving experience. So by now, you're probably asking, when is this future going to arrive? The answer is sooner than you think. Everything that I've shown you here today is real working technology. You'll be able to buy a car very similar to this really soon. What you've seen here today is the future of intelligent mobility. Nissan is moving people to a better world by making cars not just better, but smarter in every way. With the Nissan Ariya concept, that future has arrived. You can find Nissan Intelligent Mobility not just in the Nissan Ariya concept, but in a wide variety of Nissan products. Here in the Nissan booth, we have displays that are showing you how Nissan Intelligent Mobility is changing the way we drive. Feel the torque of intelligent power with Nissan's Formula E car, the Power Cell. Get a taste of intelligent integration with an ice cream from our Smart Energy ice cream truck. And experience how intelligent driving is truly changing the way you drive at our Pro Pilot Golf game. Be sure to post photos and comments on Nissan's social media channel with the hashtag. Thanks so much for coming out this evening, folks, and enjoy experiencing the future of mobility.